Supriya A. Sutar is an artist from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, a city surrounded by villages. Here, Supriya experienced bounties of nature as well as city life, growing up with a creative sensitivity. She believes nature has been her best teacher, a persistent inspiration for her. She is a young artist having enthusiastic approach towards her art practice, capturing objects and living beings which she observes. She feels artists are blessed with empathetic mind by nature. She completed GD Art painting with distinction from Kalamandir Mahavidyalay at Kolhapur, followed by Diploma in Art Education at Kala Vishwa Mahavidyalay, Sangli. Supriya thinks her work is her identity, her art speaks for her. She likes to paint still life, landscape, foliage, birds, and also portraits. She explores various mediums to create her artworks, including printmaking. Her artistic strength comprises commanding drawing skill, impressive light and shade, and experimental textures. Her portraits and figure drawings are bold. She uses bright colors with confident brushstrokes and creates depth to represent the effects of light on the subjects she chooses to paint. Supriya is the recipient of Gold Medal from Sahitya and Sanskritik Academy, Pune in 2016, Best Portrait Award in the annual art exhibition at Kalamandir Mahavidyalay, Kolhapur in 2020, second prize in landscape competition organized by Shivaji University, Kolhapur in 2022, and many other awards for her work. As an artist, she wants to express herself in her own creative means, just like nature expresses itself in various ways. We find strong emotions are rendered with a freshness of colors and overlapping tones in her portrait paintings, highlighting the sublime mood, intense eye expressions, and realistic features. She creates magical representation of portraits and full figure paintings with interesting color combination like red, chrome yellow, salmon pink, and brown and blue.
माझं नाव सुप्रिया अशोक सुतार. मी कोल्हापूरचे आहे. माझं GD पेंटिंग कोल्हापूरमध्येच कंप्लीट झालं आहे, कला मंदिर महाविद्यालय कोल्हापूर येथे. तर पोर्ट्रेट्स हा माझा डिप्लोमा लास्ट इयरला सब्जेक्ट होता, पोर्ट्रेट अँड कंपोजिशन. तर पोर्ट्रेट्सचा बरेच कॉम्पिटिशन्स आजपर्यंत अटेंड केला, भरवला गेला. पण सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेटची कॉम्पिटिशन ही पहिल्यांदाच भरवली जाते असं मला वाटतं. आणि खूप छान एक्सपिरियन्स ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये आला. या कॉम्पिटिशनची माहिती सोशल मीडियावरून मिळाली. तसेच इथलं त्यांचा सेटअप असू देत किंवा इतर त्यांच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ज्या आहेत त्या खूप छान होत्या. 1 महिना झाला ही कॉम्पिटिशन सुरू आहे. तर आज ऑन द स्पॉट त्यांनी कॉम्पिटिशन अरेंज करून आज कॉम्पिटिशन संपते आहे. तर खूप छान एक्सपिरियन्स आला कॉम्पिटिशनबद्दल आणि अरेंजमेंटसुद्धा खूप सुंदर होती. वेगवेगळ्या आर्टिस्टचे डेमोज वगैरे किंवा त्यांची व्हिजिट्स झाली. छान वाटलं. थँक्यू.